Hi YouTube, let's do Chicago by Flipturn. And then it goes Alright, that's E major to A major 7. And that little intro is you're just playing like a little shuffle on the E and the A string. Open E, A at the 2nd fret, and we play 4 on the A string, and then 2 on the A string. No. And then you just shift down and do the same thing on the A and the D string. So open A, D at the 2nd, 4-2 on the D. That's how you play the intro. And then there's 2 guitars. I think the acoustic is just playing an E at the beginning. And then goes to A major 7. And you can leave your index finger on the G string the whole time as you go back and forth. Okay, so E. Shift your 2 fingers to an A major 7. That's what I think the guitar's playing on the verse. And then I'm talking about the acoustic guitar. And then when it goes to the chorus, oh, I'm going to Chicago. I think the acoustic guitar is going to this sus chord. It's an A chord, but it's like playing an A on the 2nd fret, except you leave the B string open. And you just play from string 5 down. And then just regular E. And then what I think the electric guitar is playing is E major 7. And if you play it like this, you can play the low E, but just mute the A string with the tip of your finger here. Just touch it gently and it won't make any sound. So you get a really big sound with that low E. And then that's at the 2nd fret. Then move it up to the 7th fret. And on this one, what you're going to do is play the same shape, but we're going to mute the E and we're going to play the open A. What I do is I don't actually mute the E string. I just play from 5 down. I just don't hit the E string, the low E. But you can mute it with your thumb, probably is the easiest, or your fret, or your strumming hand. Just lay it right there. And then you can play that low A in the bass for the A major 7. That's the whole song. It's just a jam or a vamp or a groove where you're just kind of going between the 2 chords. All right, thanks for that request. That was a good one. It's a good song for beginners. All right, have fun playing it. Thanks for watching. Bye.